We got him on the plug. Walk that way instead. Oh, that is a big fish, bro. Steelhead, that's a fatty too. We'll get the scale out. We're gonna get the scale out for this bad boy. What a raised bait works and Washington coon shrimp. Welcome back, everybody. This episode preview, we're gonna show you a setup that I've been testing with the slider, plug, and a coon shrimp. Different types of plugs. And different types of baits. Coon shrimp in particular. We have a challenge going between all these different test items, and we're following them with underwater cameras, above drones, and my chest cam and ground cam. So I'm going to be testing Columbia River setups, Cowlitz River setups, plunking setup with the new slider weight for you guys to try.
My wife loves those things.
This is some coony goo. And then for the plug, testing different types of sauces, which are flavors from Procure or Northwest Baits. This is the first time out testing it with Pablo, a friend of mine who's a pastor, and we get him his first steelhead. So we're gonna cover everything for you guys. Enjoy this preview, and at the end of the preview, I'm gonna show you what this area looks like and how beautiful it is and why we like to fish. Probably pretty good. Oh yeah, that thing's diving down there nice. Look at that, man. You see the end of the rod, how it's shaking? That means that thing's got good action. And that pink one dove down really nice. Now that one I put a different brand, garlic smell. That's got my go-to Procure on there. Oh. Woo! Fish on. Now look, I'm not gonna pull too hard. Nice call. I almost ripped that rod into the water, bro. Patience, right, Pablo? We were patient waiting. We're about to call it a day. Look at, now he's slowly coming with Pablo. And he's keeping just, now remember, try not to lift that weight out of the water because that weight will shake back and forth and give that fish a chance to break free, okay? We got him on the plug. Walk that way instead. Oh, that is a big fish, bro. Woo, make sure it's a hatchery. It's a keeper. Brother. Woo, nice fish. That's his first steelhead, baby.
Nice. Oh, look at
Oh, look at that bad boy. That seal nailed him. On the hip, baby. Woo, that seal got him good, man. On the plug, on the double plug setup, you guys. This is what we've been looking. Hold on, don't. Hold on, let me. Oh, it already came out. Steelhead, that's a fatty too. We'll get the scale out. Catching fish, but sometimes it means carne asada. Look at what Pablo's got the best fish bait right here.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit your notifications in your YouTube settings and on your device so you get notified of the full episode when it comes out. This episode will show you some of the tricks, some of the stuff we're using, and the slider episode of how to do this setup is already in my YouTube section and down in the comments of this video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Take a look, and I'll see you on the next one.